Hey guys, it's Holly here and I'm at Shoes of Hollywood. Now I'm going to be doing another review for you today on another gorgeous pair of shoes from our Pleaser section. Now we do have the Adore-709s. These ones are 7-inch heels. Just wait until you see the colour. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to unwrap them. As you can see, they are a beautiful gold colour. Now they are chrome gold on the bottom and holographic gold on the top. Let me just take this out for you real quick. Beautiful. Now with the holographic, it basically, in the light, it is going to change colours. So you can see the flakes of gold, the purple, blue, green. It's basically a rainbow on your feet. Now we do have that lovely grip on the bottom, of course. And we do have the black sole as well, so they're not going to get dirty or show any kind of dirt on them, which is amazing. It is super soft, super comfortable, and this is again the 7-inch heel. I'm just going to shine that in the light for you there, show you how reflective they are. These would be absolutely beautiful and at any kind of light as well. Really captures a lot of attention. Alrighty, now I am going to try these beautiful shoes on for you today and show you what they look like on. I love how secure they feel on my feet. They are amazing. Doesn't feel like my feet are going to slip at all, which is really good. And this strap here has a little elastic thing which will give a lot more leadway as well for different sized feet. I am absolutely in love with the reflex of the colour. The light is just bringing it out so much. Alrighty, there they are on. Absolutely stunning they are. With them capturing the light as I move my feet. Alrighty, now I'm going to go for a walk and show you them. They are amazingly comfortable. Even with a 7-inch heel, they are super comfortable because of the soft sole and the large platform at the front. With the reflection on them, it's amazing. So stunning. Now what we're going to do is go for a walk outside, get a feel for that natural light on them and get all of those reflections coming through so you can see the true colour of them. Now it is raining a little bit, however we do have our umbrella for that one, okay? Beautiful. I'm just going to grab my umbrella super quick. A little bit different, there we go. Beautiful. With the reflections on them, how beautiful are they? I am absolutely loving these beautiful ones. They are so comfortable. Could definitely dance around for hours at night. We're on a night out with my girls. This one down. Alrighty, now we are going to go inside again, so let's go. Beautiful. How gorgeous are they? I absolutely am in love with the colour. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to take these ones back off. They fit super comfortably. Again, as I said, they do have that little adjustable bit there, so they are going to custom fit to your feet, and they will mold a lot more to your feet as you wear them as well, which is absolutely easy. Beautiful. So as I said, they are the Adore-709s in the chrome gold and holographic gold in the 7 inches as well, okay? Now, if you did like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell in the corner of the page to get post notifications so you're always notified of our new shoes that we are showing. Beautiful. I hope you have a lovely day, guys, and thank you for watching.